When people picture editing long-form video, they usually imagine a chaotic timeline filled with endless cuts and the classic NLE panic. But there is actually a modern way to handle repurposing long content for social media that is significantly less grindy and much faster. It is called Vizard. And instead of making you hunt for moment-by-moment gold, it uses smart AI to find viral bits for you. Today I want to take you behind the curtain and walk through how Vizard actually works, so you can decide if it is the right tool for your content. Hey, I am Melissa, and today at Wit and Wire we are geeking out on smarter tools to turn your creative craft into a scalable business. If you want to try Vizard while you follow along, grab a free trial at vizard.ai, which you can find linked right in the description. My aim here is to show you how to import, how the AI finds clips, how to tweak them, and how to get them scheduled without becoming a full-time editor. Let us dive in with the first step, which is creating a new project in the top right corner of the dashboard. I am going to name this project creatively so it matches the vibe of the long episode I recorded earlier today. Once the project is ready, you can record directly into the platform or, more likely, upload an existing file from your hard drive. I uploaded two separate files here to simulate a host and a guest recorded remotely, which is very common for interview shows. Vizard starts analyzing your video immediately to identify key moments like punchlines, topic shifts, and emotional engagement cues. That initial scan takes a few minutes, so while you wait, you can name speakers or add metadata so the captions stay accurate later on. Once the scan is finished, you arrive at an editor that is intentionally simple and designed to keep you focused. The top area shows a storyboard of suggested short clips, while the bottom displays the familiar timeline and audio waveform. You can still slice and dice the timeline manually if you want, but most creators skip straight to the AI clips to save hours of labor. Speaking of AI, Vizard auto-generates a searchable transcript, which is incredibly useful for finding specific keywords in your footage. You can jump straight to a moment by searching terms like launch or mistake or even your own brand name. If the transcription mishears a word, you can fix it manually right there, and the on-screen captions will update automatically. Good captions are essential because they lead to better reach and higher engagement on social media platforms. Now, let us look at the clips the AI pulled, because some of these are absolute winners that are ready for TikTok or Reels. Others might feel a bit raw, but refining them is simple. Just drag the handles to tighten the moment and trim those trailing breaths. Adding a 3 to 5 frame fade at the start and end of your clips prevents them from feeling too jumpy or abrupt. Vizard also lets you add a custom intro or end card to each clip if you want to maintain a consistent brand format. A lot of creators worry that auto-generated clips might sound robotic, but the secret is spending a few minutes polishing the top 10 clips. That tiny bit of human effort is exactly what turns a mediocre clip into a high-performing, shareable one. Unlike more rigid tools, Vizard's interface makes moving clips around as easy as copying and pasting text. You can easily combine a reaction shot with a punchline or stitch a short intro to a quote to improve the flow. Here is a pro tip. If a clip cuts too abruptly between words, add a tiny gap of silence or a micro crossfade to make it sound natural. For multi-speaker recordings, the transcript and speaker detection help you identify who is talking so you can add accurate labels. People often ask how this compares to manual editing in Premiere, and the answer comes down to whether you want to be an editor or a creator. Premiere is undeniably powerful, but it expects you to be a pro editor, and many small teams simply do not have that kind of time. Vizard's sweet spot is scale. It helps you turn one long recording into a whole week or month of consistent social content. It identifies standouts, suggests crops for different platforms, handles captions, and then schedules the posts for you automatically. Once you have refined your clips, you can set a posting frequency, and Vizard will queue them up to publish at optimal times. That is a total game changer for creators who struggle with the consistency required to build a following. No more downloading each clip, opening Instagram Studio, or manually setting up every single post. The content calendar view shows you exactly what is scheduled, what has been posted, and allows you to drag and drop to reorder. Back in the editor, you will find additional polish tools like quick caption styling and automatic resizing for vertical or landscape crops. While it won't replace a full professional mixing session, there is a basic audio cleanup option that makes voices sound clear and present. You can even batch edit metadata, meaning you can apply your show name or a specific hashtag set across multiple clips at once. When you are ready to publish, just choose your platforms, and Vizard handles the distribution and scheduling automatically. Another feature I love is the ability to pull content from different projects into one master calendar view. This lets you assemble a week of shorts from various sources and balance your content mix right in the calendar. Now, let me be candid about the trade-offs, because no tool is going to be perfect for every single type of user. If you are a micro editor who demands total frame-by-frame control and complex effects, a full NLE is still the right choice. But if your goal is to consistently publish short-form content without hiring a team, Vizard strikes the best balance I have seen. A quick bonus tip: before you upload your next video, try to speak in punchier statements so the AI can surface them more easily. Also, using clear topic shifts, like saying "here is the biggest mistake," helps the model pick it out as a high potential hook. Start by uploading one episode, pick 10 winners, spend 10 minutes polishing the trims, and set the auto schedule for the whole week. If you are unsure where to start, we made a free checklist for turning long videos into social content available at our website. There is so much more to explore, from team permissions to analytics, but the point I want to leave you with is simple. Repurposing should not be a daily grind, and with the right AI-first workflow, one recording can feed a month of social posts. If you found this walkthrough helpful and want a deeper demo on batch refining captions, drop a comment below and let me know. Also, tell me what platforms you focus on so I can tailor my future videos to specifically help you grow your brand. If you are new here, hit subscribe so you do not miss future creator tool breakdowns, and thanks for hanging out with me today. I am Melissa, and I will see you in the next one.